Hey there, I'm Benjamin from Loves Data, and in this video we're going to look at the new Audiences report in Google Analytics. The Audiences report works in combination with the remarketing lists you've created inside Google Analytics, and the report allows to see details for the users that are included in each of your remarketing lists. Now I know that you might not be running remarketing campaigns or even advertising with Google AdWords, and that's totally okay. You can make use of the Audiences report even if you're not advertising with AdWords. So let's take a look at the report and the steps you'll need to take to get them set up. Let's get started. The Audiences report allows you to see details about the different audience lists you've created in Google Analytics. For example, you might have created a list for people who viewed a particular page or series of pages on your website but haven't converted. You can then see behavior, engagement, and conversion metrics for users that are included in the audience. And once you've enabled the reports, you can even use the audience dimension when creating custom segments and custom reports. The audience report is designed for people running remarketing campaigns in Google AdWords, but you can still use the report even if you're not currently advertising. To do this, you will still need to create an AdWords account, but you don't need to have any campaigns running or any budget in the account. It's simply required to enable this report and other reports in Google Analytics. So the first thing you need to do is create an AdWords account if you don't have one already, and then you'll need to link AdWords and Analytics. If you need help completing these steps, then check out my extra resources in the description below this video. Once your accounts are linked, you'll then need to head to the admin section of Google Analytics and enable remarketing. To do this, select Audience Definitions under the Property column and then select Audiences. In this example, we can see that there are currently no remarketing lists, so we need to create our first list. This will also enable remarketing for our property. Let's click Next Step. Now we can choose where we want to use this audience. Let's click Add Destinations. We can now see we have the option to use this list in Google AdWords for remarketing, but we also have the option to use this list in Google Analytics. By selecting our Google Analytics property, this means the list will begin to collect data into the Audiences report. Let's select our property and enable the list. Now moving forward, you'll begin to see data showing up in the Audiences report. And just to highlight, you can choose to make the list available in Google AdWords and Google Analytics at the same time, or just make the list available in Google Analytics. It's completely flexible. Now let's take a look at what we'll find in the report. If you've only enabled one list, then you'll only see the single list in the report. If you've enabled multiple lists to be used with Google Analytics, then they'll all begin to collect data into the report. You can then see the acquisition, behavior, and conversion metrics for each of your lists. And as I mentioned, you can also use the audience dimension for creating segments and custom reports. For example, you can click on Add Segment, then create a new segment. You can then select Conditions and find the audience dimension under Users. This allows to add the name of an audience list to then only view trends and data for users included in your list. This allows to perform more detailed analysis of how these people engage on your website. So the new Audiences report allows you to collect data for the different audience lists you've configured inside Google Analytics. They're designed to help you understand how users in your list engage with your website, and although they're designed for people running remarketing campaigns in Google AdWords, remember that you don't actually need to have any active campaigns in order to begin using the reports. Just remember, you'll need to add your Google Analytics property as an audience destination in each of the lists you'd like to include in the report. Are you using the new Audiences report? I'd love to know. Let me know if you have any tips. Please share them in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, then please like it so I know to make more videos like this. See you next time.